Brother, if you're over 40, you've probably noticed something. Your body doesn't forgive the same mistakes it used to. Your money doesn't grow just because you work harder. Your family feels the stress even when you don't say a word. And your career? It can stall even when you're damn good at what you do. This isn't about motivation. It's about systems. Welcome to the Male Operating System. I'm Francis, and this channel exists for men like us, over 40, who want to stop firefighting life and start running optimized systems. Think of your life as an operating system. After 40, the old version starts glitching, energy crashes, income plateaus, relationships strain under invisible pressure, investments get reckless, careers feel fragile. We don't fix it with willpower, hustle porn, or 30-day extremes. We rebuild it with calm, repeatable, adult systems that actually last. Here's what we build and protect. 1. Energy systems, not fitness. Real energy management for bodies that no longer forgive stupidity. Why you crash even after 8 hours sleep, the hidden debt most men carry, why supplements fail when the foundation is broken, and how to rebuild without obsession. 2. Income systems, not hustle culture. Predictable money flow you can count on. Why working harder stops working, the trap of being financially busy but broke, how consistency crushes one-off wins, rebuilding without starting over. 3. Business systems, not grinding. Leverage so output grows without burning you out. Why effort stops scaling, the cost of staying hands-on too long, building systems that run when you're not there, turning experience into freedom instead of exhaustion. 4. Family systems, not romance tips. Predictability and emotional safety at home. Why stability beats intensity, how your unspoken stress poisons the air, presence over grand gestures, the long-term price of being emotionally unavailable. 5. Investment systems, not hype or gambling. Survival first, then quiet growth. Why most men misunderstand risk, preservation before chasing returns, how emotional decisions destroy wealth, building a portfolio you can actually sleep through. 6. Career employment systems, not motivation speeches. Longevity, relevance, anti-fragility. Why competent men stall, loyalty can quietly kill leverage, skill stacking over titles, designing a career that doesn't collapse when pressure hits. These aren't separate silos. They're interconnected parts of one upgraded OS. Fix one poorly, the others suffer. Optimize them together, life runs smoother than it has in years. No guru BS. Number 5 AM club nonsense. No pretending life gets easier. Just straight, battle-tested frameworks for men who've lived enough to know better. Over the next 60 days, we'll roll out one focused video per day, exactly covering these systems. No fluff. Actionable. Immediate. If any of this hits home, if you're tired of patching leaks instead of building something solid, subscribe right now and turn on notifications. Drop a comment, which system is glitching hardest for you right now? Energy? Income? Family? I'll see your answer and we'll tackle it head on. Upgrade in progress. Let's do this together.